choosing the right indoor plants for your personality. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Bringing greenery indoors is more than just a trend, it's a way to enhance your living space, improve air quality, and add a touch of nature to your everyday life. But with countless varieties of indoor plants available, how do you choose the right ones for you? Believe it or not, your personality can be a great guide. Here's how to find the perfect indoor plants that resonate with who you are. Number 1. The Busy Bee, Low Maintenance Plants. If you're always on the go and struggle to find time to water your plants, low maintenance varieties are your best bet. Succulents, cacti, and snake plants are perfect for those with hectic schedules. These plants require minimal attention and can thrive in various conditions, making them ideal for someone who appreciates greenery but doesn't have the time for frequent upkeep. Best picks. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Almost indestructible and can survive in low light and with little water. CZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. Another hardy plant that requires infrequent watering. Aloe vera. Not only easy to care for, but also offers soothing gel for burns and cuts. Number 2. The Caregiver, Nurturing and Blooming Plants. If you enjoy nurturing and watching things grow, you might prefer plants that require a bit more attention and reward you with flowers or lush growth. Flowering plants, such as orchids or African violets, need regular care and the right environment to bloom, making them perfect for someone who finds joy in the nurturing process. Best picks. Orchids. Elegant and delicate, they require specific light and watering conditions but reward you with stunning blooms. African violet, Saint Paulia. A small, flowering plant that thrives with attentive care. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Known for its beautiful white flowers, it requires regular watering and moderate light. Number 3. The Minimalist, Sleek and Simple Plants. If your style is clean, modern, and clutter-free, you might gravitate towards plants that complement a minimalist aesthetic. Plants like the rubber plant or fiddle leaf fig offer bold architectural shapes that add a touch of green without overwhelming the space. Best picks. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. With its large, violin-shaped leaves, it makes a statement in any room. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Known for its glossy, dark green leaves, it adds a touch of sophistication. Monstera deliciosa. Also known as the Swiss cheese plant, its unique leaves are perfect for a minimalist yet stylish look. Number 4. The Adventurer, Exotic and Unique Plants. If you're someone who loves exploring new things and standing out from the crowd, why not choose plants that reflect your adventurous spirit? Unusual and exotic plants can be a conversation starter and add an element of intrigue to your home. Best picks. Vena's flytrap, Dionia muscipula. A carnivorous plant that's as fascinating as it is functional. Bonsai trees. These miniature trees require patience and skill to shape, making them perfect for someone who enjoys a challenge. Staghorn fern, Platycerium. With its antler-shaped fronds, this fern is a unique and eye-catching addition. Number 5. The Romantic, Soft and Delicate Plants. If you're a dreamer who loves creating cozy, inviting spaces, plants with soft leaves and delicate flowers will complement your romantic nature. These plants often add a touch of whimsy and charm to your home. Best picks. Jasmine, Jasminum. Known for its fragrant white flowers, it's perfect for a dreamy atmosphere. English ivy, Hedera helix. This trailing plant adds a touch of old-world charm to any space. Lavender. Its soothing scent and purple blooms create a serene environment. Number 6. The Pragmatist, Functional Plants. For those who value practicality, plants that serve a dual purpose are ideal. Whether they improve air quality or offer edible benefits, these plants do more than just look good, they work for you. Best picks: spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Excellent for purifying the air, especially in high traffic areas. Herbs, basil, mint, rosemary. Perfect for the kitchen, these plants are not only decorative but also provide fresh ingredients for cooking. Aloe vera. A multifunctional plant that not only looks great but also has medicinal properties. Choosing the right indoor plants for your personality can transform your living space into a true reflection of who you are. Whether you're nurturing, adventurous, practical, or minimalist, there's a plant out there that will thrive in your home and bring you joy. So, take a moment to consider what kind of plants align with your personality and start building your indoor oasis today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep your green friends happy and well. God bless you, and thanks for your time.